Have you been enabling bad behavior? Put a stop to it right now. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. My cousin showed up this week with a sob story, traumatized and in need of a little TLC, which I was happy to provide, but give her an inch and she'll take a mile. My weird neighbor keeps staring in my window. She thinks I'm stealing her newspaper as though I would read the Star Ledger. She won't go away and I have got the creeps. Have you got any wine? So I made her a little cocktail and even added her favorite, Franzia Merlot, to calm her nerves. All I did was combine 2 ounces of brandy, 1½ ounces creme de violette, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and top with a splash of the wine. She seemed to appreciate the gesture, but it got out of hand. I'm hungry. Have you got any easy cheese? She could have brought some easy cheese, but no problem. She was upset and nobody wants Glendora to be upset. I was happy to oblige her for a while, but she parked herself on the sofa, changed the channel on the TV to her favorite, Lieutenant Joe Kenda, and settled in for a long evening of being pampered. I made a big batch of Nacho Popcorn, find the recipe below, and she ate most of it before anyone else could even get to it. After many glasses of wine and many cases solved by Kenda, it was time for her to go, only she was so cozy she didn't want to leave. This was my own fault. I had let her take over. I had to regain control. The next time she asked for wine, I gave her a nice glass of juice. Her request for popcorn was met with carrots. And true crime was replaced with Rock Hudson and Doris Day on the TV. That Uber couldn't arrive quickly enough for her. Facing her crazy neighbor suddenly didn't seem quite so bad after all. It's wonderful to help a loved one in their time of need, provided it doesn't become your time of need. Give as much of yourself as you like, but no more. Fix yourself a lovely libation and take care of yourself. They need to solve their own problems.
And if they don't, it's still not your problem.
Amen. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon.